This paying website, simply head over to gotranscript.com. On this website, you will make 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute, with an average monthly earning of $150 on this website.
Hi guys, Peter Pais here. I know many people are interested in making money online. Me too. I love money. I often watch videos from YouTube about making money online. But is the way they share really working? This is where I start from the beginning. This is a test project about fact check whether the method is really working or not. This project may be even taking longer than a month, so I introduced my project called Money Making Fact Check. Basically what I'm going to do is that I watch a number of videos from YouTube about money making, and I check the method they shared from YouTube for a certain period, so that I will prove the method is really working or not working. Simple. I will record my videos each step, and if you have any financial issue, I hope you guys get help from my video. So let's get started. I recently watched one video that grabbed my attention. Let's watch this video first.
The first step is using Google Translate, and the second step is go to the 3 websites that I'll be showing you in this video. There are only 2 steps and they are super easy to do, so watch till the end to know more. I have to mention that this website that I'll be showing you is absolutely free. No initial payments are needed. It is available worldwide, meaning anyone from any part of the world can do this with ease. And most of all, you do not need any prior skills or experience. All you have to do is use your laptop and phone to start off. This paying website, simply head over to gotranscript.com. On this website, you will make 60 cents per audio minute or per video minute, with an average monthly earning of $150 on this website. However, the highest monthly earnings you will be able to accomplish is $1,250. Since you are using Google Translate, you will be able to maximize your earnings, and you can do as many transcription jobs as possible. So the maximum monthly earning will be more achievable. Here in GoTranscript, you can do transcription jobs from home. All you need is a computer and an internet connection. You get paid reliably, receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. You can work flexible hours, work as much or as little as you want. Whenever you want, you can choose your own projects that you want to work on. To start working as a transcriptionist, all you need to do is click the big Apply Now button right here and choose your desired language. You will then need to provide your email address and password. After that, just click the sign up button and you can now work on gotranscript.com.
This video is talking about making money as a side hustle, which is related to the transcription job. If you don't know about transcription job, this job is about writing a script from audio or video files. For example, if there's no English subtitle in the movie, your job is to make an English subtitle from the listening. So how it works, you listen and you write it. You listen and you write it. And you submit and finally get paid. Now I'm in the website called gotranscript.com. So I'm looking around. There's one transcriptionist work. So this page is about the video mentioned here. So I can see here around. Can click. Oh, there's Korean too, because I'm Korean. Should I try Korean? Okay, I'm going to try Korean. There's sign up mentioned. I'm going to sign up. I'm going to check gotranscript.com. There is a file for instruction that what things I have to do. So I'm going to check this one and just to share what I'm doing here and see how it goes. So I tried many times but I failed. I don't know why. 10 questions have to perfectly complete and I will pass it, but I got stuck. I don't know. So I already sent the email. I'm waiting for their answer. I'm not sure why I cannot pass this one. I read all the instruction carefully and I understood all correctly, I believe, but it's really difficult. I repeatedly failed many times and I changed a bit answer too. So there's some tricky part, but I'm not sure which one I missed, I'm going to share this one later. So yeah.